Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your hosting a website builder step by step so you can embed a video on your page, customize how it plays, check the mobile layout, and publish it to your live site. This is a simple but powerful way to make your website more engaging, whether you're adding a product demo, a tutorial, a testimonial, or just a video that helps explain your business better. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Hostinger account by going to hPanelhostinger.com and logging in. Once you're inside hPanel, look at the main menu and click on Websites. You'll see your website listed there. Next to your domain, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger website builder where you can make changes directly on your site. Now that your website builder is open, we need the YouTube link for the video you want to add. Open YouTube in a separate tab, find the video you want to embed, and copy the video URL. You can do this by clicking the share button under the video and then clicking copy, or you can simply copy the link directly from your browser's address bar if the correct video is already open. Once you have the link copied, go back to your Hostinger website builder. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. Click that and a list of elements will appear. From that list, choose Video. Then drag the video block onto the part of the page where you want the video to appear. This is the section where your embedded YouTube video will live, so place it carefully. You can put it near the top of the page for more visibility, or lower down if it fits better with your layout. Just drag and drop it into position on the canvas. Next, click on the video element you just added. When you select it, you should see an option like Edit Video. Click that and a settings panel will open. In the video link field, paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier. After pasting the link, you can customize how the video behaves on your site. If you want the video to start playing automatically when someone opens the page, turn on Autoplay. Keep in mind that many browsers will mute autoplaying videos by default, so that's completely normal. If you want the video to repeat continuously, enable Loop. This is useful for short promotional clips, background videos, or simple demos that you want visitors to keep watching without stopping. You can also turn show controls on or off. When controls are enabled, visitors will see buttons like play, pause, volume, and the progress bar. If you want a cleaner look, you can disable the controls. If you want more user control, leave them on. The best choice depends on the style of your website and the purpose of the video. Now, let's adjust the size and layout. Click the video container on the page, then drag the boundary handles to make it larger or smaller until it fits the design the way you want. Make sure it looks balanced with the rest of the content on the page. A well-sized video can make your website look much more professional. Before publishing, always check the mobile version. At the top of the builder, use the viewport toggle to switch to mobile view. This lets you see how the video will look on phones and smaller screens. Make sure it resizes properly and still looks good in the layout. If needed, you can adjust the spacing or size so it fits better on mobile. If your site is still on a temporary domain, you'll also want to connect your custom domain before going live. Hover over Connect Domain in the top bar, click Change Domain, choose your custom domain, and then click Next. This step helps make your website look more professional when visitors open it. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Go Live, depending on what your builder shows. That will publish your changes and make the YouTube video visible on your live site. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a YouTube video to your Hostinger website builder, customize the video settings, check the mobile layout, and publish it live. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step website guides, and drop a comment if you want to see more Hostinger tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.